Is it rotten right in the middle? That's my question.
I don't
Right
think so
there.
because if you turn it over, like I mean, obviously you can see it still has like dirt on its roots, but like its roots, they're still like very stiff. They're not like kind of wet and wimpy like they would be if they had like root rot, and they would be black and they would kind of have like a smell to it.
Yes.
So I'm pretty sure my plant is healthy. It doesn't really seem to have any signs of root rot or anything.
What do you think about maybe watering it one more time? And let's monitor it for another week or so and see what happens. What do you think about that?
Well, it's been about 5 days, and you're supposed to like rotate the water, and you're
Okay.
not really supposed to have them in water for like more than a week, and you're just supposed to let them close back up and then just put them in water just whenever, basically.
So at this point, we'll just let it close back up and maybe we'll just get a video in a couple of days and then a couple more days and see what happens.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, excellent. Cool.